Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to make an image black and white in Pixlr. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official pixlr.com website right here if you haven't already, and after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of the Pixlr website, where we can get started with logging into your account. So in the upper right corner, you want to go ahead and create an account if you do not already have one. If you want, you can go ahead and log in if you already have one, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, where we can get started with a photo editor. So guys, in the home page, scroll down until you find the AI photo editor that we can use for editing our images. So go ahead and click on that right here. After opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by the editor right here, where we can go ahead and open the image that we want to turn black and white. So I'm going to select the image from here, and after selecting the image, now we can get started with using it right here. So as you can see at the left side screen, we have all the options we can use, such as the range option, crop, cutout, adjust, and so on, and we can get started with adding our effects. And basically guys, the option that we want to use to turn our image black and white is the effect option right here. So go ahead and click on effect, and after clicking on effect guys, we are going to go ahead and click on the black and white option right here. After clicking black and white guys, now as you can see, we have the black and white option that we can get started with using right here. As you can see, we have multiple options, and you can select the one that fits you the best, and after that you can just go and save it and use your image black and white. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.